Hello everyone, I am Purnika and welcome to Sai Weather Coaching Center Koti Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the job notification of Union Public Service Commission, which is Combined Defence Service Examination 1 2026. So we have to apply this in only the website. And the last day for submission of application is up to 6 p.m. on 30th December 2025. The eligible candidates shall be issued an e-admit card. Okay, even though you get an e-admit card, it is not compulsory that you will get into the after you write the examination. It is not compulsory that you get in as a trainee. Yeah, so here are the name of the courses. So the name of the course, first one is Indian Military Academy. It is in Dehradun and the vacancies are 100. And second is the Indian Naval Academy, Ejimala, and the vacancies are 26. And it is Air Force Academy, Hyderabad, and it is 32. Officer Training Academy, Chennai, it is 275. And Officer Training Academy, Chennai in Madras, 275 is for men and 18 is for women. See, in Indian Military Academy, even the C certificate holders in Army Wing can apply for IMA, and in C certificate holders in Naval Wing can apply for INA, which is Indian Naval Academy, and the C certificate holders in Air Force Wing can apply for Air Force Hyderabad. So the procedure and the vacancies, everything will be conducted separately for both the men and women, and these are the examination centers. There are over 81 examination centers all across India. So this is a great opportunity for all the graduates, technical and non-technical graduates. And the age limit is for IMA, you need to be unmarried and you should not be born earlier than 2nd January 2003 and not later than 1st January 2008. Next, for Indian Naval Academy, the male should be unmarried and not born earlier than 2nd January 2003 and not later than 1st January 2008. Next, for Air Force Academy, your age should be 20 to 24 years as on 1st January 2027 and should not be born earlier than 2nd January 2003 and not later than 1st January 2007. And the upper limit, if you have a pilot license, the upper limit is 26 years. And if you are also married and your age is above 25, even though you are married, you are not allowed to stay with your kids and family. And no married accommodation will also be provided in the training. Male divorcee or widower candidates cannot be treated as unmarried male for the purpose of their admission. This is the compulsory thing which we should keep in mind. And for Officer Training Academy, unmarried male candidates born not earlier than 2nd January 2002 and not later than 1st January 2008 only are eligible. And next, for Officer Training Academy, SSC Women Non-Technical course, it is unmarried women, issueless, widows who are not remarried and issueless divorcees in possession of divorce documents who are not remarried are eligible. Okay, they should not have been born earlier than 2nd January 2002 and not later than 1st January 2008. Next thing is the educational qualifications for IMA and Officer Training Academy, Chennai. You should have a degree of a recognized university or equivalent. And for Indian Naval Academy, degree in engineering. So as we mainly in this Space Engineering Academy and Sai Weather Koti Hyderabad YouTube channel, we generally mainly concentrate on a technical recruitment. So the main thing which we concentrate now on is the Indian Naval Academy, in which the degree in they required is degree in engineering from a recognized university of institute. And for Air Force Academy, there should be a degree of recognized university with physics and maths at bachelor level or Bachelor of Engineering. So Indian Naval Academy and Indian Air Force Academy both are technical recruitment, whereas IMA is also eligible for non-technical people. And after the examination, you will be shortlisted for the SSB interview. So for admission into IMA, on or before 1st January 2027, Indian Naval Academy on or before 1st January 2027 and Air Force Academy on or before 13 November 2026 will happen. The SSB will happen. Next is the physical standard. Physical standard, you should read the guidelines which is given in this PDF already, which will be posted in our Telegram channel. So please do follow our Telegram channel for all the updates which we are actually posting in these videos. Next, the fee is for female candidates, SC and ST candidates, female is exempted and are required to pay a fee of only 200 rupees by using Visa, Master or RuPay card. Okay. So the fee is, generally it is 200 rupees, but for female, SC and ST, there need not be any fee. So you should apply in the website. The website is https://upsconline.nic.in. Next, the last day already, as we discussed, it is 30th December 2025. And the main thing is, generally for all the applications, the time will be till 11:59 p.m. But here in this website, in this application, the time is only up till 6 p.m. So announcement of results of the written examination interview of qualified candidates, announcement of final results and admission to the training courses of the final qualified examination will be done in the website itself. So after writing the exam, you have to check, note down the result date and you have to keep checking your website. And there will be negative marking also for this examination, which is 1/3 of the mark. Okay, so this is a very great opportunity for all the engineering students and all technical and non-technical, but especially engineering students. This is a great opportunity for applying into Navy and Air Force, which may be someone of your dream. So for more such job notifications, do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. If you have any queries, please ask in our comment channel and do like this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you.